Students in our McAllen ISD district-wide Automotive Maintenance Technology and Automotive Collision Technology programs of study received real-world hands-on instruction in a National Institute for Automotive Service Excellence, ASE facility. This training provides students knowledge about the latest evolving automotive technology trends. In automotive maintenance, students can earn ASE certifications in brakes and electrical systems. In automotive collision, students can earn a certificate in D1.9 sheet metal welding from the American Welding Society. Starting in the 21-22 school year, students in automotive maintenance program will have an opportunity to intern with our McAllen ISD Transportation Department.